Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been raining the last couple of days, so not been able to get out to do any videos on the birdie. And as it is right now, we're still in phase 1, not much I can do, and I'm still stuck at home pretty much. Everyone in the company is just waiting for phase 2 to be open. We need to make up for lost time. You have no idea how much needs to be done at this point in time, and we're just hoping that phase 2 should just open up as quickly as possible and everyone can actually go out and earn some money. Today's video is gonna be a pretty interesting one. So remember I mentioned about conserving cash, spending wisely. Well, the Rode Wireless Go that I purchased, I mean, it's a great addition, right, to my vlogging setup. But the one thing that was missing is actually the wires that I require. This is the wire. So this is the one that connects directly to my camera, and that's perfectly fine. But in almost, I would say maybe 50% of my videos, a good number of them, I actually film everything on my iPhone, right? So the iPhone is an extremely capable device to vlog with. So I refuse to purchase any more cameras. Although the latest hoo-ha about this Sony ZF-1, anyway, they call it the vlogging camera and blah. I mean, trust me, it was tempting, and the entire YouTube or everyone was just shilling the camera. Look, you're gonna chase the tech, it's never gonna end. It's just, I find it so pointless. If you're gonna be creating unique content, you don't really need like a superb camera setup. Alip Bata, I mean, if you guys are crazy about guitarists, this guy apparently, his previous life, just before he blew up on YouTube, he was actually a construction or forklift driver. He's got this crazy setup. When I say crazy, I actually mean like I'm not really sure what is he filming with. It's just camera. It's got him, same old background, a really old calendar, probably outdated. Doesn't really care. It's got an ashtray beside him. It's got a cigarette, a cup of coffee, and then he would just strum the most beautiful guitar tunes you would ever hear in your life. Alip Bata, amazing. Doesn't ask for anything, doesn't ask for likes. I really feel very shameful now whenever I ask for likes. That guy is just amazing, and it just goes to show that you don't really need a crazy setup to be putting out content. Anyway, I digress. Alright, anyway. So this is a tripod that I found somewhere in my cupboard somewhere. It's actually a let me see, this was for my Sony action cam. It came with a package. I decided to just repurpose it. This is the Manfrotto mount that I got for my camera. So this particular device, along with this right here, will actually allow me to set up my iPhone as a vlogging device together with my wireless Go. Now, why did I specifically mention this wire? This doesn't come with the wireless Go, but this can actually be purchased for a lot cheaper. Well, I wouldn't say a lot cheaper. It's like maybe about $16 or $17. So the original Rode Wireless SC7 cable that you need to connect to the lightning cable for your iPhone, you actually need to purchase this specific cable in order to use your iPhone as a vlogging device together with your wireless Go Pro. Now, the links to these two items are in the description box below. I've just started my affiliate marketing program on Amazon, and I thought to myself, why not? If you guys are able to purchase these products off my links, I get to earn some money, support the channel, why not? And plus, if you are familiar with purchasing products from Amazon, there are times when you end up getting a counterfeit product, or you get a product that doesn't work. Now, these SC 7 cables, a dime a dozen on Amazon, but this particular one works really well. If you need something like that, get it from the link below, together with the Manfrotto mount. Why? I can't find it in Singapore. You usually can get it from Carousel, but for this item and this SC7 cable, I couldn't find it on Carousel or Lazada, and even if I did, it was 35 bucks and it was the original, and if it's the knockoff, I'm not quite sure whether it works. I've taken the risk of purchasing this, and it works amazingly well. So get it if you need it. Alright, so what can you do with the wireless Go when you pair it with your iPhone Pro? Oh, and just to add, this is going to be the setup in this manner. And the reason why I hold my products so near to my face is because obviously the focusing issues that the GH5 has, and I am using a manual lens. So it's always good to have some Velcro. They keep on standby. So where I plan to mount the receiver will actually be in this corner right here, in this corner. So rule of thumb, before you guys paste the Velcro onto the Rode Wireless Go receiver, you can see over here, and take note, for this Velcro that you have, it's important to make sure that the furry side goes onto the clip, okay? Because you don't want the pokey side over here, because in the event if you need to stick this onto someone's body for any reason, or if you need to, you know, just clip it onto your body or whatever, you would have to deal with this pokey side rubbing against your skin. So just to take note, furry side onto the clip for the Rode Wireless Go. Don't say I didn't warn you. So this is how it's going to look like when you finally have it nicely velcroed onto the back of your phone, just like that. Nice and neat. Check it out. And this cute little dead cat that comes along with our Wireless Go, it's so cute and nice and furry, and you know, it's good. Let's try it out now. The most important thing about the content you consume on YouTube, and that's like the golden rule, audio is everything. You can have like a really crappy video, but if your audio sucks, then I guess your audience would find it extremely unbearable. So without further ado, let's go try out my mini vlogging setup with the Wireless Go and the SC7 cable that I purchased from Amazon. Okay, it's a bit of a slight drizzle, so anyway, I'm just gonna take it outside. Wait, I've almost forgot my face mask. Never know who's lurking around waiting to give me a fine. This isn't considered an exercise, so I better just do this. Alright, so I've got my vlogging setup all done. I got it hooked up to my Wireless Go, and it's a slight drizzle. I wanted to take the one wheel out, but decided against it. So I'm just gonna leave it down here, and based on line of sight, let's see how far I can go. Okay, let's see. I might use the Moment Video app next time just to see, it's just so that I can see the audio levels. But I'm just gonna start walking backwards, and we'll just see whether you guys can hear me. I mean, you should be able to hear me. I still have the dead cat on. Line of sight, man. This is what I mean. This is what I mean when I say that, you know, you still have very good audio from so far away, and it really converts your iPhone into a very, very powerful vlogging device. I love it, and I highly recommend this setup. It's great for anyone who needs it. Okay, you can just put the phone on the floor, you can do stuff, you can give instructional videos to how you can use a particular PMD, cycling, exercises, whatever, you know, whatever that you can think of, you can use the iPhone to create content with the Wireless Go. And don't forget to use my link, okay? Okay, I'm back from that very short demo, and this is how the setup actually looks like. I would say it's very, very compact and very usable. Ultra convenient for anyone who doesn't want to spend too much money on their vlogging setup. I really don't think it's necessary to get all these fancy equipment for the purpose of creating videos. If your content is great, man, you will attract millions, thousands of views if you have very unique content. Don't spend too much money. Use a smartphone, use your Android. With a Wireless Go, a very small investment, you will be well on your way to creating awesome content. Today is just a very short video. If you liked it, and if you don't, I will try harder. Until next time, you guys take care. Bye.